Ran, you see a person and first time and suddenly some irritation come. You cannot accept this person.
I am not following your.
No,
Repeat again.
Yes. I want to ask, you said about when you see a person and you love this person because of harmony happens. I want to ask about opposite side. If you see a person, some irritation, anger come, or different feeling, unpleasant feeling. I understood in this moment something in this person I have and I don't like in myself. But in future, probably if I accept this one, I can accept this person or no. This harmony.
There are two different things. When you are seeing one person, the frequency of your energy vibration, when it tunes, what I am talking about, the harmony means wherever your energy vibration tunes with the other people's energy vibration, there is always a harmony. Wherever it is not matching, even if you don't know that person, you start feeling something you don't like. It is automatic reaction that comes because there is no harmony at that energy level, you see. So immediately you start feeling that I don't like this person. Even if you are not friendly to that person, you are unknown to that person, just a person sit close to you in your airplane or in your bus seat, just a neighbor. So this is something with the energy frequency vibrations there. But sometimes with the mind also, that we have an image of something which you like, and somebody is not fitting into that image you don't like. So that also mind's reaction. But this is a feel when you start feeling without any knowledge about somebody, you start feeling something that disturbing, then it is the energy which is telling you that no, you cannot tune with this person. But if you have the image of somebody and that person does not fit into the image, you don't like. When you don't like, you reject that person. So this is at mind level, at energy level, you have different feel. But the energy level feel, what I call beauty, is the feel of the energy level where you are feeling the harmony, where you are feeling something. The Majnu did not have the image of a Layla, that what kind of woman I should have. He had no image of the beautiful woman. But because there is a harmony at the energy level, it was nice. So this is what is, that you have to understand whether your mind is rejecting or whether your feel is not saying yes. That you have to see inside.
I mean, a little bit different. Sometimes I want to say it about one example. Few years ago, I saw one woman, and when I saw this woman, every time my hatred, I hate her. I haven't reason to hate her, but I don't know, it's torture me. It's probably was 2 weeks every day I see this woman and I hate her without any reason. And I ask myself why it's happened. And suddenly I catch on this woman. I hate in her game. She played this game, I also played this game. We are same. And I hate this game inside me. Because of that, it's like my projection. And when I accept this one, we become friends. It's like tuning happens.
That is at the mind level where I was describing that you have first the image which you were hating.
Yeah.
Now that image which you already have inside and you start loving, you definitely start loving that image. That is the mind's level.
It's only image.
Yeah. So the moment the image changes, your hatred starts again. You understand what I am saying? So it is not permanent thing that the tuning has happened and the harmony will remain there. It goes on changing the way the images are changing.
Yes, It's of course if my feeling about me is changed.
So it looks like you are finished with all the problems, all the questions.
This projection is from the mind, or like she's talking about it can change into harmony, or
It can go on changing. The mind is always, according to the expectations, according to the fulfillment of desire, it goes on changing its own projections. The same person where you were hating before, if he is useful to you for your expectations, your fulfillment of desire, you go into loving that person, liking that person. Up to that point, so far as he fulfills your desire, he fulfills your expectations. The moment he does not, it changes.
But isn't that called manipulation?
Yeah, it's the same. It's the same. But for that period, you become friendly to that person. The enemy becomes friends if they tune into the same expectations. The moment the expectations goes, you become again the enemy.
same with Laila Majnu also, or
Laila Majnu was different story of the tuning with the energy level. There is nothing to do with expectations of the mind. It was a pure love. That is why we give an example of, when we give an example of love, Laila Majnu is the example. You see.